Amounts of rain in the region over the weekend. Santa Barbara seeing some of the highest rainfall totals. Interior areas got much more rain than we're seeing here, but we did break a record in Santa Barbara for a 3-day period and also a daily record. The daily record was initially set in 1952. That was 1.92 inches, and on Saturday we got at least 2.9, and then a 3-day period that was broken from Friday through Sunday. That was last set in 2002, and we are expecting to get some more rain later in the week. Here's a look at the storm that passed through our area. Another storm that started in the northwest in the morning, made its way to the southeast by the late morning, early afternoon, eventually passing further south through Ventura and down towards LA, up towards Bakersfield as well. For the next storm that we are going to be tracking this week on Thursday, not as strong as the storm we got over the weekend, but we could see anywhere from a quarter all the way up to about an inch added to our rainfall totals, especially if we get some thunderstorms developing away from the coast that can bring some heavy downpours into isolated areas. Though showers are still possible throughout the night tonight into the overnight hours. Still seeing some moisture showing up here on our future track. Also could see some mountain snow tomorrow, especially in Ventura County mountains and also possible in Santa Barbara County mountains. This is where we could see those thunderstorms develop, and in areas away from the coast in Santa Barbara County, Ventura County, even in SLO County towards the California Valley. Some showers may pass closer to the coast throughout the day on Tuesday. Wednesday is somewhat of a break from the rain. There will be some lingering cloud coverage. We can see some drizzle here in interior areas, but not going to see steady showers for the day on Wednesday until we get to Thursday morning early around 5 a.m. Western part of Santa Barbara County, SLO County seeing those showers first. Rain traveling to the south and to the east through San Ynez through about 7 a.m. and then those showers start to arrive into Ventura County in the late morning around 11, and then through lunchtime we actually see some brief areas getting heavy downpours there in the dark greens and yellows. Santa Maria seeing that around lunch, and then also moving to the east, and then throughout the rest of the day on Thursday, once we get closer to evening, is when those rain showers start to exit and lighten up. We could still see some lingering sprinkles, but for the most part that system will be over by Thursday night. Though on Friday we have some very light rain chances. We can see Ventura County possibly could see some rain that is still going to be impacting us locally on the day on Friday, but Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo County looking mostly dry by then. We will be dry over the weekend, so getting some relief from the rain. Flood alerts that were issued earlier today are going to expire at 6 p.m. though we have a winter weather advisory that was issued until the end of the day on Tuesday. This is just for Ventura County mountains, but snow is also possible in Santa Barbara County mountains, 2 to 5 inches at 5,000 feet, 5 to 10 inches at 7,000 feet. We also have a high surf advisory in effect until 10 a.m. on Tuesday for areas north of Point Conception if that is not extended. Temperatures during this time and for the week are going to be cool or cold. We have overnight lows tonight through tomorrow morning in the 30s and in the 40s, and some areas aren't going to be warming up out of the 50s tomorrow in the afternoon, though most cities will be right around that 60-degree range. Paso Robles tomorrow, 59, Atascadero at 56, Cambria 55 for the high. We will see slight warming after we dry out over the weekend, but even then around 65 degrees through the 7-day forecast.